In the edit page, move the plane head to the time that you want to start the zoom. Then click on inspector. Under the transform, you could see zoom and position. Click on the diamond icon to set the first frame. Move the playhead forward. You could use shift plus forward arrow to jump 10 frames. At the bottom left corner of the viewer, click on the drop down and make sure transform is selected. This would highlight the viewer, and if you would drag from the corner outward, you could zoom in and also move anywhere you want in the frame. You could also do the same using the values for zoom and position. This would then automatically create keyframes for zoom and position. You can change the display zoom back to fit, and now when you play, you could see how the zoom works. And finally, click on show keyframe tray to get more control over the keyframes, which you could easily drag the end keyframe further to slow down the zoom, or move the first keyframes a bit earlier or later to fully control your zoom, start position, end position, and speed.